Today the plumber is putting in some rough plumbing pipes.
Our plumbing is quite complicated and quite important to get everything measured precisely because it's all going to be embedded in the slab. So everything had to be measured perfectly. He's filling it with water to make sure there's no leaks. He's wrapping some foam padding around the pipe right now so that when the concrete around it hardens and expands, it doesn't crack the pipe. So that little box right there is where the shower is going to go. This is the sump pump basin. There's going to be a little pump in there pumping up everything out of our house.
So that's our entire system with a vent that will eventually go all the way up to the roof. What did we learn today? Well, everything you just saw in those videos, everything that was done with our rough plumbing was because we are going to have a slab foundation and not a raised foundation. A raised foundation is when you can crawl under your house and access the pipes. Our house, you're not going to be able to crawl under. It's just going to be a big cement slab, and all of the pipes are going to be embedded in the concrete itself. We're not going to be able to access them. That foam padding they had to put around the pipes, because we have a slab. That little box where the shower is going to go, that is to create a little bubble in the concrete so they can actually access the shower drain. The sump pump bin, that needs to be embedded in concrete too. It all needs to be embedded. Why do we even go with a slab foundation in the first place? Ask the structural engineer.